Hello, hello. Hola. What are the messages we need to hear today? Let's pick a card first. Everything you need, your courage, strength, compassion, and love, everything you need is already within you. Which item has our messages today? Let's pick this little box. I made it probably 30 years ago. Stop waiting for the right time. Time isn't waiting for you. Don't complain. Rebuild yourself. Never ruin an apology with an excuse. Benjamin Franklin. Give the world the best you have, and the best will come back to you. Be obsessed with becoming the best version of yourself. Absolutely. And the last one today. You were once wild. Don't let them tame you. Isadora Duncan. All right. Thanks, guys. Adios.